Good morning, children. This is our grade 2 EVS class. We are discussed about lesson 2, plants are useful for us. Yes, no? Half lesson of plants give us tea, coffee, cocoa and sugar. Up to that we are completed. Now we are going to see about spices. Plants give us spices. The spelling for spices is S-P-I-C-E-S. Spices. Plants give us spices. Okay, what is mean by spices? Where we are using in the spices means for cooking. We are eating the food, no? That food we want to taste and flavor, no? For that we are using in this spices. The first example is cardamom. It is a dry fruit of the plant. Cardamom spelling is C-A-R-D-A-M-O-M. Cardamom. Can you say cardamom? C-A-R-D-A-M-O-M. Cardamom. It is in Yelakkai in Tamil. For flavor and taste, we are preparing the sweet things. To that we are adding in this cardamom. Okay. Then the next example of spices is pepper. P-E-P-P-E-R. Pepper. In Tamil it is milagu. It is very spicy. So we are adding to the food items and it's have lot of medicinal properties also. It cure the cold when we are affecting cold, cough, like the diseases means this can cure us. Okay, children, it is the seed of the plant, dry seed. Next example is coriander. C-O-R-I-A-N-D-E-R. Coriander. C-O-R-I-A-N-D-E-R. Coriander. In Tamil, dhania we can say. It also give taste to our food. We are adding, when we are preparing food, we are adding in this things also. Coriander, it is one of the spices. Next example of the spices is turmeric. This one, manjal tool, turmeric. It is the germ killer and it have medicinal properties also. Turmeric spelling is T-U-R-M-E-R-I-C. Turmeric. It is the root of the plant. Then the next one is cinnamon. Cinnamon in Tamil, pattai. For that flavor and taste, when we are preparing the spicy food items, and that time we are add this one also. Cinnamon, C-I-N-N-A-M-O-N. Cinnamon, it is the bark of some plants. Bark of some plants. Bark means it's a trunk of the plant. Okay, some particular tree, that trunk we are using like in this. Okay, children. Now the next one, why we are adding the spices means add taste and flavor to our food. Then the plants give us medicines. Plants give us medicines. We get medicines from plants like tulsi, neem, garlic. Garlic na poondu. Okay, eucalyptus. Eucalyptus means that headache medicine and all taking na thalavalikala marandu edukranga illaya, that is the eucalyptus tree. That plant too we are taking that headache medicines. Okay, so tulsi, neem, garlic, eucalyptus are the some of the plants we are getting medicines from that. For that the first example is tulsi leaves. Tulsi leaves are used to cure cold and cough. நமக்கு சளி பிடிச்சிருக்கு, இருமல் வருது அப்படின்னா what we are use? So we can take and eat that tulsi leaf means it will cure our cold and cough. Okay, then this two they are making what? They are making some syrup also. Then amla, haldi, aloe vera also using as medicines. Then the quinine from the bark of cinchona tree, it is used to cure malaria. Next one, plants give us perfumes. Some sweet smelling flowers. Sweet smelling flowers means nice smell having, no, which one, which part of the plant will have the nice smell, sweet smell? You can say, yeah, it's a flower part. So that flower part we are using and we are taking perfumes. Perfumes is scent. Okay, for the spelling for perfume is PERFUMES, perfumes. In this perfumes we use for sweet smell. Okay, for flavor we are using in this. Where which plant we are taking means, for that the first example is rose. The rose flower smell is very nice, no? Yeah, so sweet smelling flowers of some plants like rose, for the spelling ROSE, rose flower, and jasmine flower, JASMINE, jasmine, are used to make perfumes. Like that, which plant means the rose plant flower and jasmine flower are used to make perfumes. See this picture, it's a perfume of rose plant, ROSE, rose. The next one is jasmine. There is two example, rose and jasmine. Jasmine spelling is JASMINE, jasmine. These two flowers used to make perfumes. See, jasmine plant too. Then next one is plants give us oil. Plants give us oil. Which plant give us oil? Can you say? Yeah, plants like coconut, groundnut and mustard. Then sunflower or give us oil. Okay children, this is the gingerly oil. Gingerly means எள்ளுன்னு சொல்கிறோம் இல்லையா, that oil. This is sunflower oil. This one is the sunflower too, that seed, the black color having it is the seed of the sunflower plant that crushed and they are making oil. Then oils are mainly used for cooking. In this oil and all we are using for cooking. Then some oils are used to oiling our hair in coconut oil. Then oil of certain plants are used to make soap. Oil too, in this oil keep on we can make soap. Then shampoo, SHAMPOO, shampoo. Shampoo we can make too in this plants oil, and we are using that aloe vera also to take shampoo. Then toothpaste, most of that clove oil, கிராம்புன்னு சொல்கிறோம் இல்லைங்களா, கிராம்பு. Then mint. Okay, this plant and all keep on we are taking toothpaste also. So oil, that oil, the some certain plants oil we are using used to make toothpaste, shampoo and soap. Okay, these things we are getting from the plants. Okay, then the next one. What is the next one? Plants give us wood. Plants give us wood. Wood means in Tamil அந்த மரத்தோட ட்ரங்க் பகுதி. ஓகே, ட்ரீஸோட ட்ரங்க் பகுதியை தான் நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்கிறோம், வுட்டுன்னு சொல்கிறோம். தட் வுட்டு டு we can make furnitures like table, chair, this and all we can make to make for using that wood item, trunk of the trees. This is dining table set. It's a wooden set. Okay, for this we are using some particular trees. All the trees we cannot use because that all the trees stems are will not hard and strong. Okay, this is wooden cot. Which plants, which trees will have hard and big trunk means in that trees we are using. For that example is first one teak wood. Teak wood means teak maram. Okay, teak wood. Then sal, sesame, walnut. In this trees trunk and all we are using for to make furnitures. And furnitures now the examples are given there. What? Table, chair. This one is the chapati preparing, no? In that thing, this wooden product. This is also one of the wooden product. Then boat, carts, this and all we are making from the wood. And wood of some trees is used to as firewood also. Okay, எரிக்கிறதுக்கும் என்ன பண்ணுறோம், we are using the wood. Then this is the next picture is door, wooden doors. வீட்டிலலாம் கதவு செய்கிறாங்க இல்லைங்களா, wooden door. In that also we can use to take in this wood of some trees. Okay, these and all wooden things, மரக்கட்டையிலேருந்து செய்கிறது. ஓகேங்களா. Then the next one is plants give us fibers. Plants give us fibers. They see this plant, what plant in this? It is the cotton plant. We are getting natural fibers from the plants. Okay children, this cotton and jute fiber, we can get the cotton and jute fiber. It's a natural fibers which are getting from the plants. That fibers too we can make our dresses like t-shirt, frock. See, it's a cotton t-shirt. A cotton t-shirt, what means, which we are using means the cotton fiber. Okay, then this is the frock. This also it's a cotton fiber only. We are taking from the cotton plant. Okay, then the next one is other all the dresses like pant, frock, shirt. See, lot of dresses is there. These dresses all we are getting from the cotton fiber. This is one of the example. Plants give us fibers. Which plant means the first plant is cotton. The next one is jute plant. Next one is jute plant. This jute fiber we are getting from the jute plant. Jute na sanal. வீட்டில் இந்த ரோப்ஸ் எல்லாம் இருக்குது பாருங்கள், இந்த பிக்சர் வருது பின்னாடி உங்களுக்கு பார்த்தாலே தெரியும். ஸோ the jute fibers, ஜூட்டில் எதெல்லாம் செய்யலாம் அப்படின்னா we can take ropes. Jute fiber is used to make like this ropes, கயிறு. Okay, ROPES, ropes. Then jute bags, and that bags, see here giving that picture, we can grow plant also in that jute bag. Why we are using the jute bag for planting some plants means, when we are pouring the water, the extra water can come out. Okay, but the plastic or otherwise other things we are using means the water will not come out, then the plant will rot. Rotna அழுகி போயிடும், தண்ணி தேங்கி நின்று அழுகி போயிடும். But we are using in this jute bags means, what happen? Yeah, if we are pouring the extra water, it will come out, then the plant can grow well, and it is very neat also. Inside the home we are keeping any plant means, we are keeping in this jute bag, it is good, give good look to the home. Then jute bag, why we are using in this bags and all, plastic bag and all நிறைய என்ன ஆகாது, it will not destroy, but in this bags can destroy it easily. It will not pollute our environment. It will not pollute our environment. The next one is, plant give us paper, gum and rubber. This is the bamboo plant, that means மூங்கில். மூங்கில்னு சொன்னால், I said already that bamboo is not a tree, it is a grass. In this too, and we are using that eucalyptus tree also for make that too we are get paper. Okay, we make paper from bamboo plant. This two both are eucalyptus, bamboo are same species only. So make paper for paper. Why? What we are using? What uses of the paper? Make paper for writing and printing purpose. For this only we are taking paper. Yes, no? This where we are getting means from eucalyptus and bamboo tree. Next one is rubber tree. Next one is rubber tree. That rubber tree, I said that latex, no? ரப்பர் ட்ரீலேருந்து வர அந்த ரப்பர் பால், அதுதான் என்னன்னு சொல்கிறோம், லேட்டக்ஸ் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம். ஸோ ரப்பர் தட் திஸ் லைக் திஸ் தே ஆர், அந்த தண்டு பகுதியை லைட்டாக கீறி விட்டுட்டாங்க அப்படின்னா, it will, the latex will come and gathered in this vessel. Then on that collected we are making what? Things like toys, tires, erasers, pipes, etc. In these things and all we are making from the rubber. Okay children, this is the eraser. For the spelling is ERASER, eraser. Then next one is boots, chappals, like chappals, boots. See, this is the rubber boots, BOOTS, rubber boots. And we can make tires, vehicles and all, bike, car, cycle. For this and all, for moving we need the wheels, no? Yeah, tires. And that tires where to we are making means from rubber. And that rubber where we are getting from rubber tree. That rubber tree to coming that latex, that too we are making in these things. Next one, it's a acacia tree. See this, it's acacia. In this too what we are getting means, in this juice, in this acacia tree juice and that piscine, that too we are take, what mean the juice, we can say it's a gum. Okay, we get gum from the juice of the acacia or kikar tree. And that keep on, that juice keep on, we are making gum. For what purpose we are making the gum means, say anything we want to paste, two things we want to paste means we can use in this gum and we can paste that. Okay children, so this is the juice of the acacia tree. It is called gum. Gum. Pasai அப்படின்னு சொல்லும். Okay, so now we are completed in this lesson. Next, the other uses. What are other uses of the plants means? First one, the flowers like. See in this picture. The next picture, flowers like rose and marigold. In these things and all, these flowers and all use, and we are making the garlands means a male. See in this picture, no, that wedding and all we are putting the garland, no, where to we are making means from flowers. Then we use flowers and leaves of some plants to make bouquet. We are inviting other some important person means we are giving the bouquet like this, no. So for that and all we are using the flowers where we are getting it also come from the plants only, no. So lot of uses we are getting, lot of help we are getting from the plants. So we want to save the plants. First of all, what are the trees, what are the plants in our surroundings? First of all, we want to save that. Okay, then next one, அதை சேவ் பண்ணணும்னா என்ன பண்ணக்கூடாது? Will not cut. Okay, மரங்களை வெட்டக்கூடாது. Then we want to keep more plants. Okay, நம்ம வீட்டு பக்கத்தில் என்ன பண்ணணும்? We can grow more trees or small plants. In our garden we can keep the vegetables or otherwise herbal plants. Gardening we are doing, no. Yeah, that and all will keep the environment clean. Because the plants give us fresh air and what it's doing, it purify the air. Okay children, so save our tree. First one, save our tree, then plant a tree. Like that we did means this, we save our earth. Earth is our planet. Here only the living things, all the living things living, so survive. For that we need fresh air and good environment. Okay, so for that we want to save our trees. The next picture, see, trees are the lungs of our earth. Yes, no, in our body we are having lungs, no. What its work? Yeah, it's purifying the, and what we are taking inside air, no, that where it getting pure in lungs only, no. Lungs only separating the carbon dioxide and oxygen. Okay, so like that work who is doing here in our earth? Who is doing? Yeah, plants, like big trees, small trees, all the one, it's act as a lungs. So the lungs will have good means only our life will good. Okay children, so we want to save our plants. Okay, next we are having book reading that we will start. Children, this is our reading time. Take our science book, take page number 14. See this, keep the finger and listen. Plants give us spices. Plants give us spices. Plants give us spices. Cardamom, pepper, coriander. Cardamom, pepper, coriander, turmeric, cinnamon, or some spices. A spice is a dried fruit, root, seed, or bark of some plants. A spice is a dried fruit, root, seed, or bark of some plants. Spices add taste and flavor to our food. Spices add taste and flavor to our food. Already we see in these examples. The first one is cardamom. It's a pepper, coriander, turmeric, cinnamon are the some spices. Next one, plants give us medicines. 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 We get medicines from plants like tulsi, neem, garlic, eucalyptus, etc. Tulsi, 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 Neem, neem, garlic, 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 eucalyptus, 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 etc. Tulsi leaves are used to cure cold and cough. Tulsi leaves are used to cure cold and cough. Some parts of amla, haldi, and aloe vera are also used as medicines. Some parts of amla, haldi, and aloe vera are also used as medicines. We get quinine from the bark of the cinchona tree. Quinine, Quinine, quinine. We get quinine, it's a medicine. Okay, we get quinine from the bark of the cinchona tree. Cinchona, cinchona tree. It is used to cure malaria. It is the disease. Malaria, malaria. It is used to cure malaria. We get quinine from the bark of the cinchona tree. It is used to cure malaria. Plants give us perfumes. Plants give us perfumes. Sweet smelling flowers. Sweet smelling flowers of some plants like rose and jasmine are used to make perfumes. Plants give us perfumes. Sweet smelling flowers of some plants like rose and jasmine are used to make perfumes. Plants give us oil. Plants give us oil. We get oil from the seeds of some plants like coconut, groundnut, mustard, sunflower, etc. We get oil from the seeds of some plants like coconut, groundnut, mustard, sunflower, etc. Nuts also give us oil. Nuts also give us oil. Oils are mainly used for cooking. Oils are mainly used for cooking. Some oils are used for oiling our hair. Some oils are used for oiling our hair Oil of certain plants are used to make toothpaste, soap and shampoo. Some oil of certain plants are used to make toothpaste, soap and shampoo. Plants give us wood. Plants give us wood. We get wood for making furniture. We get wood for making furniture. 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 Doors. 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 And windows. 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 From trees like teak, sal, shisham, walnut, etc. Teak, T-E-A-K, teak, S-A-L, sal, S-H-E-E-S-H-A-M, shisham, walnut, W-A-L-N-U-T, walnut, etc. Wood of some trees is used as firewood. Wood of some tree is used as firewood. Wood is also used for making other things such as boats, carts, etc. Wood is also used for making other things such as boats, carts, etc. These are the things we can make wood to. Chair. It's a wooden chair. Bed. Bed means in this bed, not the cot. Wooden cot. Then boat, doors or some things made from wood. Next one is plants give us fibers. Plants give us fibers. We get fibers from plants like cotton, C-O-T-T-O-N, cotton, jute, J-U-T-E, jute, etc. We get fibers from plants like cotton, jute, etc. Cotton fiber is used to make cotton cloths. Cotton fiber is used to make cotton cloths. See, it's a cotton plant. It's a cloths, dresses like pant, frock, shirt. Some things made from cotton fibers. See the next one. Jute fiber is used to make ropes. Jute fiber is used to make ropes. R-O-P-E-S, ropes. Bags, B-A-G-S, bags. S-A-C-K-S, sacks. And mats, M-A-T-S, mats. Sacks na saku paigal. Okay. Then the mats. See this is a jute plant. That too we are making bag, rope, mat. Some things made from jute fibers. Next one is plants give us paper, gum and rubber. Plants give us paper, gum and rubber. We make paper from bamboo plant. We make paper from bamboo plant. This is one GK. Bamboo is the tallest grass and the fastest growing plant. Bamboo is the tallest grass and the fastest growing plant. It grows up to 1 meter every day. It's a bamboo plant. That too we are making paper. Then in this one we get rubber from the latex of the rubber tree. We get rubber from the latex of the rubber tree. Rubber is used to make things like toys, tires, erasers, pipes, etc. Rubber is used to make things like toys, tires, erasers, pipes, etc. We get gum from the juice of the acacia or kikar tree. We get gum from the juice of the acacia or kikar tree. Its other uses of plants. Flowers like rose and marigold are used for making garlands. Flowers like rose and marigold are used for making garlands. We use flowers and leaves of some plants to make bouquets. Okay. See the next page. Plants help to cool and clean the air. Plants help to cool and clean the air. They give us oxygen to breathe. They give us oxygen to breathe. They make the surroundings beautiful. They make the surroundings beautiful. Plants are the home of many animals such as insects, birds, etc. Plants are the home of many animals such as insects, birds, etc. So, we are taking more help in the plants. So, we want to save plants. Plants make our environment fresh and beautiful. So, let us not cut them. Okay, children. Next one, book back exercise. See, here all the answers are there. First question, first Roman is tick the correct option. Tick the correct option. First question is, we eat the leaves of this plant. We eat the leaves of this plant. Potato, cabbage, carrot, mango. Which is the answer here? Which one is the leaves of plant? It's a cabbage is the answer here. The second one, we eat the roots of this plant. Which plant root we are eating? Apple. Apple is a fruit of the plant. Carrot is a root of the plant. Onion is a stem of the plant. Peas is a seed of the plant. So answer is, here asking root. So answer is carrot. The third one, we eat the stem of this plant. We eat the stem of this plant. Radish is not answered. It's a root of the plant. Spinach is the leaves of the plant. Stem means it's a potato is a stem. So answer is potato. Maize is a cereal. So it is not. Potato is the answer here. Next question. Take next page. Fourth one is, this is not a spice. This is not a spice. The first one A is cardamom. Second one clove. Third one cocoa. Fourth one pepper. See, cardamom is a spice. Clove is a spice. Pepper is a spice. Which is not a spice? In this cocoa is not a spice. So answer is C. Next one, we get oil from the seeds of this plant. We get oil from the seeds of this plant. Jute. Jute is answer? No. Then tea, it's not answer. Rubber is not answer. The answer D, mustard. In this mustard to only, the kadugu ennai, mustard to only we are taking oil. Next one, fill in the blanks. Plants give us dash to breathe. Two answer can write fresh air or oxygen. Anything can write. If you know the oxygen spelling, you should write. Otherwise, this is easy to write. Next higher classes, you can write like that, oxygen. Okay. Plants give us F-R-E-S, such fresh A-I-R, fresh air to breathe. Second question, dash is made from sugar cane. Dash is made from sugar cane. Dash is made from sugar cane ma sugar. S-U-G-A or sugar. Dash of certain plants are used to make perfumes. Flowers of certain plants. Flowers of F-L-O-W-E-R-S, flowers. Dash are used to make garlands. It's a flowers. Again the answer is flowers. F-L-O-W-E-R-S. The next question is, we get tea from the dash of the plant. We get tea from the dash of the plant. It's the leaves of the plant. L-E-A-V-E-S. Leaves of the plant. The next one is true or false. Okay, the C is true or false. Most of our food comes from. If the statement is true, you should write T here. If this statement is wrong, you should write F on this in this box. So, most of our food comes from plants. Most of our food comes from plants. The answer is true. So, you should write T inside the box. The second question is cauliflower is a stem. Second statement is cauliflower is a stem. It's right? No, it's a flower vegetable. So, answer is false. You should write F on here. Then the third one is spices add flavor and taste to our food. Yes, no, spices giving flavor and taste to our food. So, it's true. Write T. Then flowers of rose plant are used to make oil. It is a false. Flowers of rose is used to make perfumes. So, answer is false. You should write F here. Then the fifth one, cereals and pulses are known as food grains. Yes, no, it's both are food grain. So, answer is true. You should write T inside the box. Now, we are completed our second lesson. Okay, children, reading and book back exercise over. Classwork also we are completed. Okay, children, take care and read the homework. We are given homework now. So read and write that. You should ready for slip test 1. Okay, children, you should write your classwork neat, and when we are asking on that time, you can come and submit the note. Okay, we will complete today in this lesson. Take care. When you are moving out, wear a mask. Take healthy food items. Thank you to all. We will meet on next video. Thank you, children.